3D printing gives you a lot more room to experiment into, or even if you're sort of like quite confident, to do more organic forms and shapes. Of course, if you want a square, we can print a square. But I think what you sort of find is like curves and organic forms and sort of more natural tectonics end up feeling somehow more comfortable, more human, more safe, more warm, more inviting.
It's fair to say, we will be the first 3D printed hotel in the world.
So in the conventional construction method, there are a lot of workers on site. And then even if they're not really professional skilled, or they are very, they know what they're doing for a specific job that they're, but with 3D printing, you just cut so many of those jobs.